We're taking a look at a American Standard faucet. The cold water stem had started leaking and dripping out of the faucet. So I wanted to just show you how this goes together. You can see this is loose. The cover here has threads on it, and it threads on to the stem body. So if you just put this on, screw it on, and then the handle here has a screw in there, and it simply goes in here, tighten the screw, and then you put this cover back on. And that's how you take apart a American Standard. Take the cover off, take the handle out, the screws in there, then you just unscrew the cover here, and there's a rubber seal here. Clearly this one's pretty old, but that keeps the water from running on your countertop and dripping down the hole. So we'll replace this leaking stem, take this stem out, replace this gasket here, and should stop the dripping from the faucet.